Next, we ordered their tuna tartar for 450 pesos. Sobrang mahal niya guys, pero parang worth it naman. I'll rate it 7 over 10. And lastly, ito yung pinaka-favorite naming food sa lahat naming in-order. And okay siya, sulit siya to order. The pork katsu sando for 380 pesos. So, I'll rate this 8 over 10. Nagustuhan namin siya. Then, after, tumingin ako ng kakainin namin for dessert. Then, I decided to go with the lemon and miso caramel merengue tart for 215 pesos. Since kakaiba siya and dito mo lang siya matitikman. So, I'll rate this 8.5 over 10 since mahilig ako sa mga sour taste, ganon. So, that's it! Please do follow me here on TikTok and also on my Facebook page for more food review videos. Thank you for watching!